Happy holidays, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers! And for this video, we're going to open our gift to self. Let's go! Okay, we are on the floor and we have a big package to unbox. This is once again from Buy and Ship, and this consolidates three items, all from the Oxit of Forward and Realms Open Championship group. Okay, the first one, if I remember correctly, is the brick break that happened in Mexico. Okay, so I always participate as much as possible in the weekly brick break, and for Masters of Time, there was quite a few. So I participated in the Mexico brick break, and then after the Mexico brick break, there was another re-break of Masters of Time because of the delays in the Black Panther set, which is all good and fine. We love Masters of Time as a set. And then that's the second item. And then the last item is from the auction items in relation to Black Panther. Okay, so we were able to bid and win some items for the upcoming Black Panther set, and we're happy that they are here because those items specifically are our gift to self for a job well done this 2024. Okay, so good job, self. Oh, sorry. Good job, self. You deserve uh, a gift. So that's what I tell myself, but of course, don't tell the wife. So quite excited because it's a big box. As you can see, it was packaged as a case. Okay, in the case of Marvel Heroclix Wheels of Vengeance. Okay, so good quantity. So let's take a look at the loot we have inside this big box. So it's the holidays. There are expected delays in the shipping, but this one is quite tolerable, I guess, uh, considering that these are shipped all at the same time. So the only problem with that is there's additional costs, of course, if you're shipping the items all at the same time. And this is the items. Okay, a couple of big boosters, a bunch of regular boosters, and I would imagine those are my auction items. We'll go through them one by one, starting off with the regular boosters. This I won on November 8th. November 8th. Okay. So this is already December as of making this video. So a good 1 month before it reaches me here in the Philippines. So I won boosters number 2 and number 11 for that particular break. Okay, let's see what we got. Oops. Okay, so we got here the Nighthawk Rare. Okay, one of the mid, not so good rares in the set. But we do have a trick arrow, which is something we would like to have as many as possible because it's quite easy to trade off and sell. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the other curve figures. Okay, and the other booster I pulled, ooh, a Zoom Prime. Okay, so let's see, Reverse Flash Prime. Okay, so it's been so long, I actually forgot what I pulled. I have to check my list offline. Okay, but this is the Reverse Flash. Okay, so let's see. So those are my two pulls, regular pulls for that booster. And that week, I also won the super booster for 11.8. The first one and the second super booster for 11.8. Okay, let's see what I got. We're able to pull a T-Rex. Okay, so T-Rex, the not so good pull for the super booster, but we do have a Morgan Le Fay character and team up cards. Okay, so that's always good. Put it on the side for now. And then the other super booster we pulled. If this was the Mexico, this should be like an Aquanix. No, an Ultra Humanite. Okay, so Ultra Humanite. Let's see. Okay, so he's one of the better pulls, I guess. Okay, so he is not unique, so you can have multiples of that guy. We have a multiple Morgan Le Fay, Ultra Humanite, and the rare GI robot. Okay, so just fine, I guess, for our 11.8 pulls. Now let's go to our. This might be the Mexico pulls. Okay, we also pulled for that brick break the super booster. So we were actually hunting super boosters because we don't have a lot of supply in the Philippines. So I wanted to get as many super boosters. The first regular booster though contains the Chase Harley Quinn. Okay. So, always a good thing to pull a Chase. So we have here Chase Harley Quinn and Batman leg off. Okay. Dr. Fate and other goodies. The second regular booster we had Per Degaton. Okay. So Per Degaton is of course a meta staple. Okay, Per Degaton. Okay, good. And let's see the super booster. This should contain, if I'm not mistaken, another Ultra Humanite and an Aquanix. There you go, another Ultra Humanite. Okay, and let's see. I think it's the same super booster like the previous week. Yeah, it is exactly the same. Velociraptor, GI Robot, and Morgan Le Fay team up card. Okay, and the last one is this should be Aquanix. There you go. Aquanix without the plastic casing. And aside from that, we have the Caveman Wally West Super Rare, which is a great figure. I'm tempted to keep it or trade it to Lyndon because Lyndon is a collector of the Flash figures. Okay, and we have Aquanix. Okay, so not so straight trident. Okay, but he is a good figure to have, and he's one step closer, making me complete my Jurassic League. So good pulls for that week. So Mexico was good to us. And the last items we have here are the ones I won from the Black Panther auction. And let's see what we have here. We have papers. Another paper. We have the Snowbird. Okay. So we want Snowbird because he is Alpha Flight. We collect X-Men adjacent figures. Let's zoom in. Okay. Oh, these are the herbs. Okay. So they have a lot of meta potential. This vibranium and heart-shaped herbs. So that's why I try to get as much as I can for those items. This should be Storm. There you go. Queen Storm. I already have the Black Panther, so you cannot have him without Queen Storm. And the last one is my gift to self because he is. Ooh, he is on the God base, the Phoenix Force Black Panther. Oh my God. He is a thing of beauty. And T'Challa is wearing a flame crown. Ooh. So this is again my Christmas gift to self. Well deserved. And let's see what do we have here. If everything is in order, we have Snowbird, Queenstorm, Vibranium, Phoenix Force, and we also have the legacy card of Manifold and Storm. Okay, so I think everything is complete. So, but let me double check my list. For now, we are a happy kid. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments as always. And bye bye.